Okay, welcome back. It is day 166 of coding every day. So today I a lot of linear algebra studying from like noon to about 4ish, about 3ish. I worked on finishing up doing like a practice problem or two for each section. And then from 4 to 6 was the review study session for the exam tomorrow. That went okay. There's definitely, I mean, doing that without like notes or like ChatGPT or something like that, definitely like if the exam was today, definitely would have failed that. There's a lot I mean, there's a lot that I still need to go over, and I mean, so we're allotted a cheat sheet for this one-sided full page. Um, that's definitely going to be my saving grace. Because it's like, I mean, understand a lot of the concepts now. Not like understand, but like when I see something, I have like a general idea of what I want to do. So if I can just get a really good cheat sheet down of like when it has a question phrased like this is what I'm trying to find. I think I can do quite well on this exam. I think it is going to come down to like really over the next 12 hours, like trying to get a cheat sheet that is very, very good that I can, because in the past I haven't done that. It's been like, um, it'll be like I'll literally just put down like a few examples from like past exams and then like a few of the basic theorems. But it's like I put down the theorems that I know and then like examples that are just out of the blue. Like I don't know how to apply them to other questions because I didn't study enough in the past exams. So I think I'm going to go through like an iterative process. My idea was I'm going to just do a rough draft cheat sheet and I'm going to go through an old exam and just highlight everything on the cheat sheet that I actually used and applied, and then get another paper and write down everything that like was like I needed to look up, and then just go through that maybe like 3 times until I get like a cheat sheet of like all the stuff I really needed, and then I'll fill whatever other space that I didn't really use just with a bunch of examples that I think will help a lot tomorrow. Um, as for coding, though, I did a leak code, as you can see in the back. A pretty simple leak code. It took me a while. I had to pause for a little bit to kind of just think for a bit because I haven't done a backtracking problem in a while. But I've been doing a lot of DFS like searches, um, problems and trees, and pretty spot on similar of just if it's not correct, just pop and then just the recursive returns to the previous call and you just try something else. So that was a pretty easy leak code. Um, but yeah, so what it looks like is probably the next 4-ish hours. I'll continue studying till like 2 a.m. Then I'm probably gonna sleep for 4 hours till around 6 a.m. And then I'll have another 3-ish hours to just do whatever I can. I'm still debating if I either wanted to like I'll see where I am at 2 a.m. If I feel really confident at 2 a.m., then I might just uh, get a good night to sleep. But if there's still some stuff, which I'm assuming there's going to be stuff that I'm like, basically, if I can go and do a practice problem from each section with only using the cheat sheet, I'll say I'll just get my nice 8 hours of sleep. If I can't, 4 hours of sleep and then 3 hours of practice problems when I wake up and adding to my cheat sheet. Um, and then, which I should just I don't know because I know a good sleep is really important. They are whatever, um, but I don't know. We'll see. Um, and then after that, I'm done, and then I'll have 2 weeks until I go off to Texas for the REU. So I'll think about that more though tomorrow. We'll kind of discuss what I want to do over the next 2 weeks, and then looking over into the summer because I don't just want to do. I mean, like I'm preparing for senior year in like job market, you know, trying to get a job for when I get out of school, not when I get out of school look for a job. Um, so a lot of stuff to plan after that, but that is not on my mind right now. I need to fully focus on this exam tomorrow, and I will let you know how it went, and hopefully it went really good, or else I'm gonna be really, really, really sad, and I don't want to start my summer that way. So, um, so yeah, so I'm going to go get back to that, and I will see you tomorrow for day 167. Okay, take care. Bye.